STEM education, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, is a bedrock for innovation and progress in today's world. It equips the students with the skills and competencies they need to acquire themselves to face the challenges in today's society and at the same time shaping themselves.
At Propeller Technologies, we believe that every student deserves the right access for the quality education. And that's why we have dedicated ourselves for the STEM education worldwide. And our program has been designed to develop the curiosity and critical thinking and thereby a passion for learning in young minds.
Over past 8 years, Propeller Technologies is tirelessly working to create a huge difference in our Bharat. We partnering with 380 plus schools and crossing over 3.5 lakh students. These students not only learning the STEM subject, now they are becoming a problem solvers, innovators who will going to create a huge change in the future of our world. Our work doesn't stop there. We are continuously evolving, adapting and innovating to meet the changing needs in education landscape. We are continuously committed on creating an environment where every child can thrive and realize their full potential.
Our dedicated team of educators and mentors work hand in hand with the students to provide them with tools and guidance that is needed to excel in STEM through hands-on projects, workshops and other mentor programs. We try to nurture the potential of every student.
Today, on STEM Education Day, we celebrate the achievements of our students, educators, partners who have been instrumental in this journey. Together, we are creating a bright future. Let's empower our nation's young mind towards STEM education.
Happy STEM Day!